What does that mean? You're basically going to get an extra unit for every 4 units you would have built before. A huge increase in density, right? Incredibly important, because you've got to do this to be viable. It's not about developers making as much profit as they can. They're not building this stuff at the moment because they can't make any profit at all, right? And it's only because the schemes that were ongoing have got far enough down the track, they're finishing some of those off. So this does need to be looked after if you want this market to work, right? It's a bit of a value engineering phase of a mature asset class. In the early days, the developers wanged in cinemas and bowling alleys and massive lounges to prove the concept and justify the rent. But now they've got data on what the residents actually use and ultimately want to pay for in their higher rents for build to renters. So you don't need 5.5 square meters of empty lounge space per person if everyone's just sitting in their rooms on TikTok or working in a single co-working hub, right? Reducing this amenity requirement to 3.5 square meters is a massive viability win. 2 square meters per person of wasted space from the developer perspective, and if they're not using it, from the user perspective, from the tenant perspective as well, right? Non-revenue generating space that can be removed to lower construction costs or converted into lettable areas.